When it comes to option trading platforms, there are several excellent choices available. For those looking for a platform with robust educational resources, TD Ameritrade is a top choice. It offers a wide range of materials, including in-person workshops, webcasts, articles, and videos, all designed to help beginners learn and grow. With transparent pricing and reliable customer support, TD Ameritrade is an ideal platform for those just starting out. Additionally, its Think or Swim feature allows users to interact with peers and experts. And its paper trading account enables beginners to practice trading with pretend money. All with $0 trading commissions on stocks and ETFs. And a 65-cent fee for contract options. Another platform worth considering is E-Trade, which excels in terms of ease of use. Its charting area is easy to navigate, and it offers live streaming of the latest news, as well as introductory webcasts twice a week. E-Trade is also a great choice for beginners, with free commissions on stocks and ETFs, 50 cents for contract options, and a $1,000 bonus for opening a brokerage account. For those looking for a competitive platform in terms of commissions and fees, Fidelity Investments is a top choice. With $0 trading commissions on stocks and ETFs, and a 65-cent fee for contract options, Fidelity is an excellent option for beginners. Its ETF screener tool is particularly useful, scanning over 2,000 commission-free ETFs. Fidelity also offers a range of educational resources, including basics for first-timers, as well as a watch list tool that allows users to set mobile alerts to track stocks of interest. Overall, Fidelity Investments stands out as the top option trading platform due to its extensive range of commission-free ETFs and educational resources. While fees and rates are subject to change, Fidelity is currently the best option for beginners, offering a low-risk way to invest in over 7,000 stocks and ETFs with minimal amounts.